This is the SundpeyPRO set of 10-inch heavy-duty electric suction cups. I'm impressed. So the company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it. So let's do it. It arrived safely. Everything inside was wrapped in plastic, and the LED digital displays had a film cover to protect them. Inside the box, you are going to get the two 10-inch electric suction cups. You're going to get two extra extraction filters. There's a little filter right here. So as the air gets pulled through, it filters out all the dirty stuff to keep it from getting inside the motor. 4 3.0 amp removable rechargeable batteries, and they only go in this case one way. 2 wall chargers are included. When you plug this in and it's charging up, this light will turn red and it will turn green when it's completely charged up. The cables on each of these are about 3 foot long, plenty of room, and easy to read manual in several different languages. And of course, the storage case that keeps everything together. The way these work is you just put the battery in, it automatically turns on and starts working. Hear the motor kick on. If you want to stop the motor, just double click it. You can see the current charge level of each battery on this easy to read LED digital display. And as I said before, you get 4 batteries, so you can swap them out and keep working so you don't have any downtime. These are electric, so there's no manual pumping. Ideally, you want to be working with a clean, dry surface, a flat, clean, dry surface. At the beginning of the video, you could see me carrying a heavy mirror through the yard, and you could see when I got back to the camera that they were still fully suctioned at 300 kilograms. This wood is porous, but I'm going to show you what it does when the air releases on it. So you put it on the surface you want, press the button once, and it starts to go. You may have to push down a little to give it a little kickstart. It's 300 kilograms. In an ideal flat surface, oh, that's my old workbench. It's going to hold strong on a flat surface, but you can see that it has a feature where it replenishes the air if it gets sucked out of there a little bit, because this wood is porous. It's going to keep throwing it over and over again, but you can see it's still got a strong hold on there, and you just double click it when you're done and it releases it. Pretty simple. They have a maximum load capacity of 661.38 pounds or 300 kilograms. Yes, I looked that up. They work on smooth, non-porous surfaces like glass, tile, metal, car windshields, windows, finished MDF. And I've also seen people actually standing on these things, which is kind of impressive. When you're done, you can either remove the battery to shut it down or press and hold the red button and it'll turn itself off. And you can put the battery back on the charger or back in the case if you want. But there you go. A set like this would be great for moving glass, tiles, large mirrors, car glass, flooring work, all kinds of uses in the trades. The around the house uses for this are endless in my opinion. Great for anything heavy with a smooth surface to grab onto, like appliances. You're moving a refrigerator or a stove, something like that. Maybe cabinets, glass tabletops, shelves. I could go on and on and on. Very nice.